Hi ATPF families, my name is Michelle and I am an intern with Autism Tree project, and today I will be helping create these ornament kits keychains that you can purchase at Michael's, and you can also make it at home with some of the crafts you already have. All you need is a pipe cleaner, any color you'd like, but I'll be using silver, some beads, and a string. Today I'll be using silver, and I'll just be putting on green and red, white beads. And you're gonna twist it together. So I'm gonna twist it together where the green will meet the green, like this. I'm gonna twist it together, twist, 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 until I feel that it's secure. So I did it 3 times, and I'm gonna grab the longer one and twist together. So I'm gonna twist these 2 together until the shorter one doesn't go any longer and it blends into the longer one, just like that. Now it's starting to look like this. I'll just cut the excess and twist it into this circle that we've just created. And ta-da! This is now our ornament. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great holiday.